my fans. Today we will be looking at geometric progression. But before that, let's look at arithmetic progression. And we have one question here to study, and the question here is all about arithmetic progression. So let's have it in. The question says the 16th term of an AP is 93 and its common difference is 6. Find the first term of the AP and hence calculate the 30th term of the AP. Good. Now you have been given the question here. What you need to do is to start with your solution and then list out those givens, what you are given. Here we are being given that our 16th term is equal to 93, and then the common difference of the given terms is 6. That is our D is equal to 6. Then we are asked to find A, which is the first term, so we don't know that one, and also calculate for 30th term, which we don't know. First of all, but recall that Tn is equal to A plus bracket open n minus 1, then D outside the bracket. From here, let's start with the one that we are given already, the one that we know, which is what? The 16th term. The 16th term is given to be 93. So this is 93 equal to A that we don't know, the first term, into the n here still stands for the 16th term, that is 16 itself minus 1, close the bracket, and the common difference here is 6. So this will now be equal to 93, and this will now be 93 equal to A, the first term, plus bracket open 16 minus 1 is 15, then times what? 6. Multiply this, you now have 93 equal to A plus 15 times 6. 15 times 6, you press it, use your calculator, you now have 90. This is 90. Collect like terms. You now have, okay, transpose this first. You have A plus 90 to be equal to 93. Then collect like terms. This will now be A equal to 93 minus 90. So your A is equal to 3. Now you have gotten your first term to be 3. Now remember, the question was also asked for 30 terms of the AP. So therefore, for you to have the 30 terms, you now say T of 30 equal to N equal to A plus bracket open N minus 1, bracket close, then the common difference outside. The 30 terms that you don't know will remain 30 terms because we are looking for it, equal to, the common difference now is 3. I don't know whether you are following. Then plus the end there is what? 30. The 30 terms, you are looking for it. So that will be the 30 minus 1, close. What's your common difference? Your common difference still remains 6. So everything now is equal to 3 plus bracket open 15, 30 minus 1 is 29, rather is 29. Therefore 29 times 6 out there, you now have, using your machine, you now have 29 times 6. This is 174. So this will now be equal to 3 plus 174. So the answer will now become 177. Therefore the 30th term here is equal to 177, and your first term A is equal to 3. So that this alone satisfies the questions there. So these are the answers to the question. Thank you very much.